Imagine owning an eco-friendly investment with a subline Laguna Bay vista within minutes walk of Hastings Street and Main Beach. Residence 11 at Viridian, Noosa offers an unbeatable lifestyle paired with a first-class villa sitting harmoniously with nature. Admire the breathtaking views from a range of vantage points within the home. Soft timbers, including newly polished floors, create a welcoming ambience and complement top-quality fittings, including a Caesar stone kitchen and European appliances. Occupying a prime corner position, the 258 square metre home enjoys extra ventilation and natural light. You can rest assured knowing your property is in the hands of the professional on-site managers, who not only maintain your investment, but ensure you and your guests enjoy their time out.